Welcome back, Wanderers. It's almost springtime, so that means RV maintenance time. Today we're going to go over the periodic maintenance of a Hensley Arrow Hitch. Alright, so hopefully by now you know my thoughts and feelings on the Hensley Arrow. I absolutely love it. If you haven't seen our previous videos, the installation as well as a review, we'll link it somewhere. If not, check the description below. If you're new to this channel, hey, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap that notifications bell to get a notification of any time we release a new episode. So let's get started. All right, so this first step, we're gonna grease the spring bars. Hensley recommends every 500 miles or before an extended trip. They also give a little tip: if you hear any squeaking or groaning, then add more grease. They say that you can't over grease these, so here we go. We're just going to push the grease gun over the fitting and start pumping grease into it. All right, so you know you have enough grease when you start to see the fresh grease come right out here. Wipe off the excess grease. And repeat on the other side. All right, we're all greased up. Now it's time to torque. So these we're actually going to torque the very first 200 miles and then every 5,000 miles. Just set your torque wrench. Apply pressure until you hear the click. Now for the other side. And while Hensley Manufacturing doesn't give a timetable for this next piece, they do recommend that you check the bolts on the spring bars to make sure they're torqued down to 30 foot-pounds. Additional maintenance that Hensley recommends is actually taking the hitch off the ball, cleaning the ball, and re-greasing it about once a year. All right, Wanderers, so that's going to do it for this episode. Maintenance on the Hensley Arrow is really fast, really straightforward, some torquing and some greasing, and that's it. So if you like this episode, be sure to give us a big thumbs up. Hey, say hi to us in the comments below. And until next time, stay safe and stay wonderful.